overwhelmingly you're saying that these vaccines are really causing more damage than good. There seems to be a culture there. There seems to be a foundation, a mass conspiracy that even makes something like fooling people into taking what many would call a death jab in the COVID-19 vaccine. It seems like a lot of the things you're talking about is the groundwork to that mindset of how they were able to get away with that.
Exactly. But one of the interesting things is that more and more people are really starting to wake up and understand. When you look at the latest booster that has been distributed and it's on the market, only 17% of the US population got it. And
Mm,
so there's a lot of, COVID fatigue going on. And I think that the pharmaceutical industrial complex and the people, in power like Anthony Fauci and Deborah Birx have really overplayed their hand. And they've gone to the well just too many times saying, okay, we'll approve another booster.
mhm.
The first ones didn't work. Even President Biden said, yes, we're going to sink $5 billion into making a vaccine, and this time the vaccine's actually going to work. People are waking up, they're starting to see. And when they start to look at the COVID-19 shot in particular, then they start to look at what are the profits been for the rest of the vaccination schedule. What's going on. So more and more people are starting to wake up, ask more questions,